Yes, sir.
What's
Am
up?
I
What's
can
up,
see you.
y'all?
Can you? Damn. I don't know why we was having difficulties earlier.
But we good now?
We good. Like
Nice,
you popped
nice.
up and everything, and I could.
Yeah, man,
You
I'm
can
here.
hear me as
I'm
long
here.
as you can hear me. You here?
I am here and I am in since, I don't know, since Thursday.
Oh, you in since. Oh, since these lows,
Come on, bro.
man.
Patience, though.
Boy, you about to buy you a house. Hold up.
Not yet. Not yet.
Nah, that's what's up. Yeah, bro. Like I was just gonna say, like our last Sunday live, we talked about these levels that I have marked up. This high right here on the 4 hour, and this wick on the weekly. And yeah, it didn't hit that wick yet, but
Yep,
as long as we approach this,
it will.
keep approaching these highs right here, which it look like it's gonna do on a daily, it will catch that. So we were 100% correct on that move. So I feel like that deserve a
Oh,
hand
yeah.
clap. 'Cause we got that right on the money. Even though it had its drops and made it look like it was going bearish a lot, but overall it went exactly to those levels that we mentioned. So Scully will probably be back. I think we still having a little difficulty with. Oh, there you go, right there. Yo, yo, yo.
Like on the 4 hours, it was just real choppy.
Throughout the week.
Yeah, not the week for the most part. You didn't really have anything that was confirmed until
Yeah, nothing until, like you said, the 26th, that night,
what,
Thursday.
27th. Yeah, the 20, sure. Uh, was that the 27th?
Yeah, like the
That
can.
candle that closed on the 4 hour.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
That one.
yeah.
Yes, that one right there. Yes, that was the one that was like, oh, okay, we really, really. You
Yeah,
look
because
to
it
the
broke
left, you
out of
got that
that.
clean traffic, and that's what it's gonna fill up.
True. We
Yep.
had a zone right here, and then a zone right here pretty much all week. This was Friday, I believe. This 22nd going to 23rd, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, no, that was Sunday. That was what I was talking about the last message I sent out. That Sunday continuation was pretty much the last bullish move for confirmation that we wanted to continue going bullish. But this move right here, I know tricked a lot of people thinking that we was bouncing out these highs and continuing lower to take out these lows right here, which we still probably
Right.
will later on down the week, next week. It could very much so
Yeah.
reject,
But
just
the
like how I rejected like this and come down and
you
kill
know,
all this area. But overall, the trend was definitely
I mean, you don't really have
bullish
like,
trend.
I'm still keeping the same sales, bias that we had from Sunday, which is below 69, but 69.50, that area for my sales. But like I'm
I
saying, we
can't hear you
bullish,
if you're
man. I
talking
think
to
we.
me, bro. Just FYI,
Oh man.
it's choppy.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
And I don't know why it's doing that. I know that you're talking, but the playback is very. broke the break.
What about now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, like everything you saying.
Hmm.
But yes, as far as bullish targets, we got this is like 72, 65, 72, 55. That little area, that little 10 pip range area is overall profit targets. Of course, if we shoot past that, we got about two or three more levels going up to hit. So we definitely got targets going up, which means clean traffic. Even though we had this pullback, it still was clean traffic and then continuation. So could definitely at least see it get here. We already hit our target on the 4 hour, which is right here, this blue line. That got touched on the 26th, which was Thursday. And Thursday evening going into Friday morning. Still in all, a lot of people bought the top. These moves down and all this consolidation and this continuation up, people would have added to their position and it dropping down. Like that would have confused a lot of people, shaked a lot of people out. But like you said, if you was already buying within this zone, anywhere in this zone, whether if it's up here or down here, at least you ain't buying the top. Buying in the zone is always good. Buying or selling, because price will break out of that at some point, and you
That's
don't want
true.
to be at the end of that push to the upside with all that excitement. This was right here, the trade that broke out of that whole zone for the whole week.
Yeah, it looked really good on that
Fxbrosllc.
hourly once it broke out.
Right now, we got strong momentum right now. I think I'm gonna hop into a buy. Little tester. See what the 5 minute looking like. Yeah, I already got into that little gap. 15 still can drop down into this area, so I don't expect to hold it long. I'm just going for my take profit up here at the top. It's only 3 pips, but that's what I get for getting in late. I'd rather buy it down here where it's gonna retest this little resistance, that little resistance, and it may not. It may not come back up.
Can you hear me better now or
It may
no?
shoot like a rocket straight to the top. This 1 hour candle didn't even close yet, so we don't know what could happen. But being that I did buy the top, I'm just gonna take profit right at that high. Nothing to be excited about. It's like at the roulette table type shit. Fuck it, at least I won. But yeah, man, I really don't see that we do. Oh yeah, sorry. I would like to mark up on the daily time frame what area would even make us start to consider that we going bearish again. And I'm just gonna walk up an area and just see what it looks like in the past. I'll keep that shit up there. Remove, move. I like this area right here, especially this because it coincides with this. And you got this hesitation and you got this drop down. So I like the low below this wick. So let's see what that looks like. We got support, 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 support. So already we can see that's pretty strong. We're on a daily time frame. So like I said, when you have strong levels like that, it needs a big, powerful candle to push up to close above that to really start to have a change in direction or any type of continuation after a long run. You know, it's no weak candles. It got to be something real big. That's why all these hesitated up under it and then it shot right through that motherfucker. So we got resistance right there. So I fuck with that area. So that'll be my first level that the daily time frame has to close below this area before we even consider the market going bullish. Because I would expect it would close down here below and that next daily open, and you'll probably see this on the 1 hour, the way structure happens. That next daily open to create a small little wick and shoot up and probably go the same length as that drop did and shoot the fuck right back up. So be on the lookout for them fake out type of move situations that happens on the larger time frame. Especially you get the luxury for waiting for that when you wait for the candle to close, which is about three,
Right.
4, well no, about 6 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock around that time.
Can you hear me?
You
Can you
wait for
hear
the
me
daily
now?
to close, wait for the new candle to open, wait for it to go through its little consolidation hesitation period around pre-Asian. Then once the Asian and Australian session is in full effect, then it starts to humble down or show continuation for the setup for pre-London. You know, it's all just a waiting game, a patience game. If you got patience, you'll be a millionaire in this game. And that's big facts. There's no need to rush. Like this sign right here, the fact that we had this big drop and a turnaround to fill this whole move down that it did. Turn around and fill that, had a little rejection. Like these two candles right there was the proof to see all this and to have these targets and this target on the 4 hour, this target on the daily. This is the proof. The fact that we traded back up all this price, traded back down here but didn't close, closed above all these opens and closes right here. Let me see, we got Scully back on. What's up, bro? You good?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you perfectly fine, like crystal water.
Man, good, good.
I don't know what was happening, bro.
Oh,
As
it's
I
all
said,
good. I
I
mean, as
tell,
far as like connection wise, everything looks good on my end, but I don't know.
as I said, I'm at a hotel in
Okay,
Houston. Yeah,
cool, cool.
so
But
that's probably why.
no, man, you keep on running it. I was definitely listening.
Yeah, no, I was just giving people an idea to like nobody knew we would be up here. You know, you just wait for candle closes. Just like how this price damn near engulfed this candle, pretty much did almost, but didn't. And then we had continuation up, and then you get this candle engulfing this. One would expect an engulfing candle off of like an area where the price wicked from, and then you got support right here. Like everybody, that's textbook. That mean engulfing. I mean for sure we got continuation bullish, but we never had no price break below this wick, and you gotta trust in that. Like you can't just be like, I'm gonna wait for the candle to close and some more confirmation. What you could do, because waiting was nothing but 2 days, and then you could have caught buys up in here before it broke out of these highs right here. and look how much profit you in. So
Yeah.
waiting is good, but the fact that it didn't continue lower is at least a good risk to reward ratio to at least catch buys here with stops below the recent low. If you get
Right. That
stopped
was
out,
major.
who
That was a
cares?
major fake out. Major fake out.
Big facts. Big facts. So like I said, when you got targets like this blue target right here, that was 4 hour, this daily, and also, excuse me, a weekly wick that we targeting up here. When you got target, you got ideas for what a market should move. Granted, it's not gonna go straight there. Like it'll look like it's going straight there on a daily time frame, but when you start to look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, you start to see a lot of change of structure. Like structure starts to look like it's wanting to start to make bearish movements, but all that be fake outs and just reason to get people in the sales so they can turn around and go bullish on your trade. The faster everybody understand that you make money waiting in this game, not just quickly pulling the trigger. And if you are a quick pull of the trigger, go light on that trade. Like that's where risk management, which is pretty much the most important name of the game when you risking your money like this. You have to manage that risk management.
Yeah. And not only that, that's practice over time. That'll
True.
build that'll build confidence, so you can go in heavy when you see those moves happen again.
Right. That's true. Yeah, man. I was trying to see that I had some. Let's put some damn music in the background. Let's see. Download. Yeah, I wanted to pull up the news and go over what we got this week. Right quick, right quick.
Turn it down some.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's good right there.
Bet. I figured it was. I
I
think
thought
I
we
got
was,
one.
I thought we were celebrating for something. I thought it shot up another 50 pips
Yeah,
or something.
yeah. It just moved a pipette right quick. I like to celebrate small wins. You did. So,
Hey, I'm telling you, small wins. Ain't nothing wrong with that, people.
oh
You
man,
know,
it adds
a
up
win
over
is a
time.
win. Yes.
Facts. Let's see. Am I sharing this? No, let's go. Share background audio. Share screen. Chrome tab. My Facebook. Bam. So we got that. And
Got a short week tomorrow, Memorial Day weekend for the U.S. holiday, so short week.
yeah, short week, but heavy news.
Yes. Yeah, short week, but a lot of volatility. That's true.
So as you can see, on Tuesday we got news during the Australian session, high news for them. Got their GDP growth rate year on year, so that should show those guys where they headed for the future as far as economic growth. And on Wednesday we have Two pieces of morning news for US. This PMI stuff. Not sure if that really moves the market per se. I really haven't been watching it, but I do. Just like with any news release, we make sure we either get out of the trades we in at that current time or scale down. Just not enter the trade prior to at best, because the market could do anything. You don't want to be stuck in a situation where you in drawdown for no reason. You know, especially enough drawdown to make you rethink your bias. You don't want to deal with all that. So, got some more high news for Australia during their session at 8:30. Balance of trade, retail sales, and on Thursday, of course, we got our initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims for U.S. 7:30 in the morning or 8:30 in the morning. Then on Friday, Big Dog comes to pay a visit to drop the most important news on your head. How many people that don't work on a farm are getting added to the payroll? Unemployment rate was 3.6. They expect it to drop. Let's see how that happens. Yeah. Just wait and see what that does. Back to the charts. Still bullish, of course. I think I'm gonna put a little buy entry down here just to catch a pullback, catch a nice little entry risk to reward. See market at least possibly retracing that low. If not, we'll look on a smaller time frame and see if we can find an entry. But basically, the higher time frame is already telling us what direction we need to be in.
Yeah, man, we are definitely bullish.
Definitely bullish.
Definitely bullish. But that area that you have on the 15-minute, as far as like a retracement buy, that's a good area. Really good area. And you can have stops. Yep. I would almost put those entries even lower.
Probably way down here.
Exactly. So you won't be in that much of that much drawdown.
I definitely could see that. Yeah, on the higher time frame, I could definitely see that. I mean, we got these two equal lows right here, so a lot of people took buys off of this area. We got a little gap, little order block situation, market structure going bullish, so price likes to come down to this mid zone, if anything. And right here, this is the mid zone, so even if it came this low, you still not in as much drawdown, so that calls for to modify this.
I'm trying to hit 100 on this one.
You got in on Thursday evening, and that means you got in probably like right around 71 flat, near there.
My entry, I actually got in at around 70, 90.
Ooh.
I'm telling you, I'm going for 100.
Oh yeah, like you at 100 right now. What you mean?
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
70.90 is 71.90. I mean, you like what? A pip and a half away.
I think like 10 pips. So I probably didn't get in. Let me check. Oh, I got it at 71.86.
71.
Yes. No.
I
I'm
was about to
sorry.
say.
70.99.
So 71 flat, basically.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna hit that anyway. You
Yeah.
good. Like I mean the target is what's the target? 72 something. So yeah,
My
man.
target is 72.45.
45
Yeah. Off the 4 hour.
out the 4 hour. Let's see what that look like. 72.45. Okay. Right up in there, a little sweet spot, not the highs, but
Not the
enough
highs. I
to
don't want
yeah.
that tip. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
want the
yeah,
tip because
yeah.
has a good chance to reject that, even though I can see it breaking through that. Because once it goes through that, look to the left. You could it's like super clean traffic
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
You just it up like clean traffic from 72.60. Let's say 72.70, just to keep it simple. 72.70 to 74. Like, come on, man. Like
Yeah.
74.25. Clean traffic.
What that look like on the daily though?
It looks great on the daily
Oh yeah,
because
it
that's
does
not
look
even a
great.
resistance. Looks amazing on the daily. So, yeah,
I say for sure right here. If it breaks through here, for sure can go to 73.43. Right up in this little sweet spot
73.43.
on a
Let's
daily.
see. Yes. Yep. I'm gonna mark that up. I like that area.
Yeah, that's a definite next little sweet target if we get a strong push.
But actually, I'm gonna put it at 73.40. I just like them.
Oh, the median.
You got me on that. Yeah, you got me on that.
Yeah, that's I mean,
Multiples of 5.
oh yeah. It's an easy way to just find a target on a stop loss.
Yeah, man. Yeah, for being so patient. And when I saw it move, I was like, you know what? I'm sitting on this one.
Yeah, you like I said, all this time within this zone right here, this is Sunday right here, the 22nd, going into the 23rd. Like from Friday low right here, then the push up, then the continuation through Sunday. It just been in the range all week, tricking everybody. Oh, I'm going by. Oh, I'm going long. Oh, I'm going short. Oh, I'm going long. Like taking all the liquidity. So it's building up, getting hungry, just eating everybody trades up. It's a fat belly. And every time you get a fat belly, your stomach hurt. And the best way to get over that is to throw up. And that's what they did. They threw it up. And that shit going way up. Like
Yes, yes. But if you can see perfectly on the chart the way you got it marked up right now, like everything in between those two golden lines are that's consolidation. That's
oh,
something that you don't want to trade. Like none of that. It's very ugly. Only thing that looked good was the buys above. Even if it would have broke below, that still wasn't clean. Like look at that choppiness to the left.
right here.
It's not that clean. No, below the what is that 70-40 area that you got it at?
Oh, down here.
Yes,
Oh,
like
right
if it
here.
would, yeah, if it would have closed below that line.
True. And it bounced like strongly from that. It rejected with a
Yes,
wick right here and a wick right
yes,
here on a 1 hour. Strong rejection.
yep.
So that's like a hot, like just like somebody touching something hot. You just like, yeah, you get away from that quick. So that was a very, very, very powerful zone, which is gonna take a lot of power to even break through that.
Hmm.
If it couldn't do that throughout the whole week. And this was the sale everybody was waiting for. Everybody thought this was the high, especially if we had this little crazy situation right here.
Yeah,
And it breaks out of that. It's like, oh, this is the high. This high high couldn't break above, so yeah, that's our high and low. Then we broke this low. That's our lower low. So damn, we in sales, baby. So every breakdown, I'm taking sales. Stop out. Sales. Stopped out. Like, and not only would you been stopped out, you probably would have got out of this trade, and then would have got in again right here because you saw it break out. Then it would have popped back up on you, and then you would have got stopped out. So it's like, yeah, it was definitely not the market to trade your strategy that you normally look for in a trending market, which people got to realize, and it's a very important thing. Like, markets only trend like really 30% of the time, and the
That's
trends
true.
don't last that long. Like, you could catch a range trading, even if it's ranging bullish or ranging bearish or some kind of wedge range or whatever. Like, markets range way more than they stay in trend. So
That's
trend
true.
following systems and trying to find just stay in the trend, and I'm talking about like daily in 4 hour, like not no hourly 15 minute, because yeah, like right here, this look like a bullish trend on the 1 hour, but if you look at the
But if you
daily,
look at the 4 hour or the
look, we
daily, you
bullish,
could tell we
we
bullish.
bearish. Overall, we
Yeah.
bearish. Like, we ain't bullish. Like, we showing signs of being bullish. Well, that's why I said once we broke that 4 hour high right here, we did that Friday. We showing signs of being bullish, but once we break this, then I can say, yeah, we bullish, because now it's wanting to attack this and all these old highs that it never, broke above.
Right. On the daily. But if you
Yes,
look at the 4 hour, then you can really see highs being broken.
true.
You know.
But you still got this situation, a lower high, a lower
Yes.
high. This could turn around right here, and that was a lower high. So was all this really a bullish pattern, or a retest to continue on the bearish pattern? And we won't know that until we break this zone.
I was about
Once
to
we
say,
break
but it
this
will
zone,
it will go there to test that just because it's
yeah, yeah,
playing
yeah,
traffic.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
But if
So
we
and
break
that's
it, then we know we is the structure is changing, and we starting to, this higher high scenario is more truer than it ever been if it breaks this. Right now, yeah, it's higher highs, but it's higher highs in a bearish trend.
right.
Just
Which
like
is
this is
why,
a
man,
higher
it's
high.
like that's the way to be patient and letting it play out.
Facts.
Some of the hardest thing is not really, finding the trend and all that stuff like that. It's just being impatient,
Yeah.
you
Think
know.
about the person that missed that sale from up
Right.
here. And they said, okay, I'm not taking no shorts until market come way back up here to get me back in the sale. You know how happy they are to see their prices moving up to the area that's about to get them into a short position? Like,
Hmm.
they feel super elite because they had the patience to wait through all these weeks to wait for price to come back up just like they envisioned. You know?
Yeah.
It's like everybody got a scenario about how the market will work in their favor. You just got to find your way, your strategy, your setup that coincides with your lifestyle. Because
That's it.
I feel like it's very difficult to trade the New York London crossover if your profession is a strip club DJ and you close the club. If you get off at 5 o'clock in the morning and all you've been playing was Gucci Man, like, you might not be in the right mind frame to trade the London New York crossover.
That is perfect. No,
you
that's
might
well said. Well
you
said.
might want to catch the Asian session, fam.
That is true, man.
For real. So yeah, man, I think Sunday did show a nice little push up. So if anybody caught these buys, definitely nice play. I mean, You got the Sunday opening like right here. Starts to potentially show signs that it wanna maybe turn around, but never
Yeah,
close
that's where
below
support was made. It.
right here.
Yeah, support was made right there.
hmm
You
Never
know,
close.
and then you see that next candle that closed bullish above it, and then the one after that one, that was the entry
Yep.
right there.
You look at it on a lower time frame, see it even better. Markets open right here. I mean, you could even just buy the break out of this right here. This is the old high from Friday. Probably
Yeah,
not the high, but on a span of the 5 minute time frame, that's the old high from Friday. So you just like mark buys right here. You would have got entered right here, probably. Little drawdown, and bam, right in your favor. Patience.
that's it. That's the key.
This
That's
is
the
just
key to
total
life.
fun, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back.
For sure.
We got 20 minutes left.
Yeah, man. Thanks for rocking with us. Whoever's on. Had to bust a late one, but it's all good.
Yeah, yeah. Moving up on the subscribers. We at 12 right now.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's what's up.
Shout out to all the subscribers.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully y'all enjoying this. This is something perfect to ride to. Just to listen to and hear these little golden nuggets we be dropping.
Y'all, give us some feedback, ask questions, man, if y'all got anything.
Ethereum on sale under 2 bands.
What's that?
I said Ethereum is on sale. It's under $2,000.
Man, everything is on sale right now. Like for real. I just can't wait
East
till they
on $1.
to that Ripple figure out what they gonna do with their trial, because it's gonna shoot up to the moon.
Yeah. I feel the same way. I mean, they under so much scrutiny for being a asset or whatever the issue is with them. But they still top 10 as far as top cryptos asset classes and market cap. Damn, Dogecoin back in number 10. The fuck?
What you say?
Said Dogecoin back at number 10. That shit 8 cents.
8 cents? No, it ain't.
It ain't 80 cents.
Let me
It
see
say
the pull up the chart.
I'm gonna show you. See?
So what's the other one? Doge, and what's that other one that's Shiba?
What?
That's
Shiba?
Shiba. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that I don't know. I think them kind of just lost steam. Not saying they can't regain steam in the future, but
That Solana is a good one.
oh yeah, bro. Anything in the top 10, like the top 10
That's
is
just
looking
like with
real.
stocks. That's just like with stocks, man.
Yeah, but at least they have the coins that's in the top 10s. Some coins that's actually doing something. Like Dogecoin, really is the only one that really don't have no. Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin got some use cases, that's for sure. You know, they starting to be used. People starting to accept it and all that, but they don't really have like projects and stuff being built on them like Ether does, and I want to say Binance, but for sure Cardano and Solana. Like Dogecoin don't even have that, but still though, it's a meme coin. It's all good. They made the increase, $11 billion market cap, so they doing something right.
Facts.
But
Facts.
I remember when this top
I need
10
to
was full of
I need to
weird
get
shit.
some I need to get some more ether.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, Ether and anything that's tied to it. Like
It's
you don't
under
even gotta.
2,000. Like that's crazy. Yeah, like
Yeah,
Polkadot. Polkadot is a good one.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Damn, trying. That shit shooting up there. $7 billion market cap. Avalanche Shiba 16. Polygon. Litecoin still holding strong. I'm thinking this one is gonna do some numbers in the future too if they continue with what they plan.
What's that for? What is it for?
For logistics, like packages that get shipped around, freight, airplane, large objects and stuff that get moved around will eventually be tracked on the blockchain, and VeChain is gonna be the forefront of that supposedly. And they
Mm,
already got contracts with like Louis Vuitton and the Gap and I want to say Walmart that they starting to use their technology to track their shipments and all that stuff using the blockchain, using VeChain.
nice.
So if they really turn up and they get a contract with UPS, and FedEx and all that, then that 3 pennies could turn into a lot of money. And it's
Oh,
up
that's
eight
facts.
percent. So actually, the market pretty green today. Like now that I'm looking at it, like everything up
Everything up, bro.
just for today
Bitcoin,
though.
Bitcoin over 30. Just for
Right,
today, that's true.
just for today. That bitch would be at 26 tomorrow night, and everybody would be scared.
I mean, that's where we at right now. Everybody super fearful.
Yep. Got 10 minutes left. Price starting to approach that little first area I was looking to buy at, but just like you said, I feel like it could come down some more. I don't know if it can do it on Sunday though, but we'll see.
Yeah, see if it can make some type of support on a 15 minute.
Yeah, but being at the banks, a lot of the banks probably, if they in this long position, they probably holding, or they took off a lot of their positions on Friday, especially knowing that Monday is a bank holiday. So it should be very little volatility
Yeah.
this Sunday going into Monday. So we'll just kick back and see how it plays out.
Let's see what it looks like. Even on the 5 minute, it's such a weak time frame.
Oh yeah. I don't even like to look at the 5 minute too long because then I start seeing stuff that's not really there. I do know on Sunday when I saw this big push up, I was really expecting for price to come right into this area at the low of this little gap situation, which also lines up with this resistance.
For another opportunity. I mean, to
Another opportunity for buys because I
yeah,
didn't catch these buys and price came right to the area right here. Shot off of buys, easy profit. Granted, it didn't continue high from there. It came back down, grab even more liquidity, take all these highs out. We got a lot of traders going short now, but they stop loss above this recent high right here. And as
I
soon as
wouldn't have
price,
trading. I yeah, that's an iffy one, man.
no, yeah, I just know that's what
But
people
no,
be
yeah,
doing.
that's what that the movement. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this is what we would have done years ago. Looking at the break of this, the break on a 1 hour too. This is a large
Yeah,
time frame, so we thinking
yeah.
It break this. I'm like, oh, we selling.
Let me try and get a
Targets
quick
down here.
five to 10 max.
Man, come on.
Like, no,
You
man.
sound
If it ain't
crazy.
20, if it ain't 15 or 20 or more, then I'm not even juicing it right now.
Yeah.
Like right now, it'll be pretty good to get into some, some more buys. But like I said, man, the move is moving. So,
Yeah.
wait till the bus come back around, man.
Facts. I say you're in a great position, bro.
Oh
I
yeah, I'm chilling.
I wouldn't even worry
Like
about those
mint.
buys until the hour, if and when
Yes.
and if the hourly close below this low right here. That's when I would start to be looking at like, should I get out of this trade and maybe hop into another buy from here that's gonna continue higher.
Yep.
Because if it closes below here and starts to come down, then you're gonna be giving back a lot of your profit, but you ain't got nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
You're
I'm really
relatively
like
cheap.
I am sitting in this one, bro.
Yeah.
And like I said, these usually this will be a tester that's going this heavy. But just like you told me, once you start seeing it happen all the time, I was like, "Oh, you know
Bro,
what? I'm gonna go
it has
heavy on
no,
this one."
yeah, go. It has nowhere else to go.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people make that
Facts.
mistake, when they see these moves and they seeing them over time, they kind of get a little iffy with themselves. Like, no, man, go in heavy. The successful ones, they go heavy on the ones they know they have a good chance of, like, you know, winning on, or a high probability for their buyers.
Yep,
So they execute on those with no emotions and no feelings attached to the trade, just like straight,
at all.
And that's what I did with this one. Like, you know,
Like you're not jumping out of your seat and running
nope,
out the window for joy because you making good money on a trade. Like, nah, basically you going heavy on a trade is allowing you to increase your testers. That's
yeah,
all that is.
yes,
Because you're gonna make money consistently as you trade and get, pips here and there. These long 70, 90, 120 pip moves, that don't happen often. So you can't really bank on that. You can't create a strategy around that because it's not consistent enough to create a strategy. But when they happen, yeah, it may feel you felt euphoric, but look at it as a different situation. Like, okay, instead of having testers that's only getting me 5 cents a pip or a few pennies a pip, like my testers now give me $1 a pip. So even if I'm good on the tester, I can go dumb heavy on my intraday trades.
right,
So your test is gonna be more like a swing trade.
that's true.
Hmm.
That is true, brother.
Yeah, I think we just gonna keep on pushing up, man. I think this last hourly candle told it all.
Yep.
That was a very big push up on a already trending bullish situation. Like it had no reason. It could have been done it. It could have done it on this candle.
Uh-huh.
Like, but it did it right here on a new Sunday. Yeah. Let's see what we got to set up on the 5 second
Yeah,
time frame.
boy.
Come on, man. I'm trying to get an entry right now.
Guys, this is just don't take that serious. For those that are on the 5 seconds, I hope you got
They
magic
wrong.
keys.
Like, why do I even have this on? I gotta take this off. This is
I
weird.
hope you have magic keys. Shout out to Raja that you're gonna be clicking,
Bro, that's
clicking.
crazy. I That's all I need. I don't even know why I had the 5 second on there. Like
Like, do I have that on mine? Oh yeah, I see the 5 second. That's crazy.
you can edit it at the bottom. It got edit and take it off.
Let's see. Selected. Let's remove that. Let's remove the 1 minute.
Get out
And
of here.
I'm gonna leave the 5, even though sooner or later you out of here.
Mm. That boy said he
Yeah,
only want to see the hourly broke down 4 times.
I'm telling you, I just want to see that 15
15.
and 15 on up. 15
Get
on up.
that.
That 15. I mean, that 5 minute will be like, what am I doing? I'm forcing.
Real talk. Yeah, if you don't see where you need to go on the hourly, if the hourly not showing you, then you don't want to depend too much on the 15 minute because that is a wild show. The 15 minute ain't nothing but a younger brother of the 5 minute, or older
Yep.
brother. Like both badass kids that you can't tame. So
Yes.
might as well just
Man,
stick to the 1 hour.
good way to put it. Yeah, you need some maturity. You
Facts.
know what I'm saying?
Facts.
We got 1 more minute, guys. About to shut this down. It's been real. I don't know what you got going on tomorrow, bro, but
I will be finishing. We had a estate sale this weekend, so we gotta wrap that up. Get all the remaining stuff that didn't sell, which is really not a lot. It's mostly just clothes.
okay.
Take that to the donation house, and then we done. Going back to Dallas.
For sure, for sure.
hmm What's your week looking like? Y'all back to the normal
Um,
schedule?
yeah, I mean, for the most part, we both off tomorrow. Even I'm gonna still go in there. I got a few jobs I need to print. Probably go to the track tomorrow morning before that,
Big
and
facts.
probably kick it with pops.
Right, right.
Do a little something, something. Probably throw a little something on the grill. Get down.
Yes, because it is Memorial. That is,
Yeah, and I'm gonna hit a
man, what, like, bro, I be out the
going
blue.
straight, going straight raw for like 2 weeks, bro. Be doing nothing but fruits and vegetables
Come on, man. That's crazy.
for 2 weeks. I'm just like
We
I
was
think
talking about the same thing,
yeah.
especially
No, I've been
a fruit cleanse.
yeah, definitely. I definitely been on it just a little bit. In the morning, I just eat nothing but fruit, but
Nice.
and yeah, it
I
was really
typically eat
good.
nothing but water.
Yeah, you could definitely eat that. Start 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 throwing some of that coconut water in the mix.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah, man. Like I
No, that's
said,
what's
man.
up, man. On the same wave though. 'Cause
Most
that
definitely.
raw.
I'm gonna let you know how it go though, for real.
Yeah, you supposedly gonna be shedding a lot of weight, but it's a lot of toxic weight.
Yes, yes. Like I'm
Yeah.
sure I'm gonna probably get a bit thinner, but I am in the gym, so I've been bulking up and
Yeah, 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 yeah.
with a lot of that fructose, natural sugar,
Right.
you actually gain really nice when you're working out.
Facts. Nah, you ain't
So,
gonna lose
but
no muscle. You just gonna lose fat.
just fat, yeah, I'm gonna get really, really ripped.
Right. Exactly.
So,
Exactly. That's what's up,
yeah.
people. Well, we getting the job done once again, letting y'all know that I think this week's analysis was pretty easy. I think we still bullish. We still got targets that we need to reach, which is up here, this target that we're looking to reach,
Yep.
and then we'll determine if market rejects that, breaks through it, and continues to this target up here. So that's
Just
pretty much
keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. As soon as you complicate things, that's when stuff happens.
big facts.
Keep it
Biggest
simple, and the
facts.
rest, everything will take care of itself.
Facts. Simplicity and patience, man. Well, shit, we about to wrap it up, bro.
All
We can see
good.
you again next Sunday. Hopefully we get it to our regular normal time, but you already know how it is. We still make it happen regardless.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Like I said, man, you gotta have income in, otherwise you ain't investing in nothing.
Come on,
So,
let's get it.
so next week, bro, you be easy. I'll tap in with you.
All right, brother. Y'all be
All right,
good. Happy
man.
holidays and whatnot. Peace out.
Same to y'all, brother. Peace.
Mm.